In today's video, I am going to create another fall look. And I am placing this first color, which is a wine color, in the crease. I am buffing it in and blending it in at the same time. Take your palettes out and let us create a fall look. Have fun with your palettes. Today's item is wellness is a natural state of my body. Wellness is a natural state of my body. Now the wine maroon color has been blended into the crease and a little bit above it. The next color I am going into is a red. I'm putting that in the crease and also on the lids. Our body communicates with us in many different ways. When we eat salty food, we crave water. So it's telling us we need to drink water because too much salt makes us thirsty. Our body communicates with us in many, many ways. When our head hurts, that is also a sign our body's telling us something. When we feel really, really tired, even though we have not done anything for the day, our body is trying to tell us something. My body communicates with me. Your body communicates with you. I have the plum, which is a matte. I have the red, which is a matte. I'm going into a brown, which is also a matte. This is so nice. I'm going to put the brown in the outer corner and a little bit halfway in the crease, like this. When your body communicates with you, please try to listen because it is trying to tell you something. And I'll give you a little example. This week, I woke up and right away, as soon as I finished saying my prayer before I head to my treadmill, my body said, half an hour. That's what I felt and heard. Half an hour today. So I was like, half an hour? I've been doing an hour. Since February, I do an hour every day, Monday to Friday. So half an hour, I was like, oh boy. I got on the treadmill. I started doing my steps. And when it was getting close to half an hour, I was trying to change my mind. I was like, I'll go for the hour. I'll go for 45 minutes. And I heard my body says, half an hour. I'm going back into the red because I want to smooth all this brown out. And I was like, okay, when it's half an hour, I will stop. Just like I tell myself. And as I'm walking, I have TV in the background, for background noise. And I'm still trying to convince myself, as time is getting closer to half an hour, I was like, maybe I should maybe I should do 5 minutes more. And again, this big now the voice is not tiny, or small, the voice is firm. Half an hour today. So you know what? I stopped trying to convince myself, and I did exactly 30 minutes, half an hour. I did not go above or beyond. I just did that. I stopped the treadmill and I got off, and I felt light. Very, very light. So again, if I did not listen, I don't know what would have happened, but I listened. So today's affirmation, encouraging word is wellness is the natural state of my body. We gotta listen. We gotta listen. I use 3 mats to create this look. My lipstick for today is Wet and Wild, and it is Vamp. It's very, very old. As you can see, the cover is breaking, but I still have a little bit left. I love this lip color. Vamp. If you can get it, it's Wet and Wild. I thank you very much for watching. Please remember to stay strong. Please encourage yourself to keep praying. Please share this video with someone else. And until I see you and you see me, I am asking you please to listen to your body and how it communicates to you and how to fix what it is communicating with you. Learn to understand your body. Learn to listen to your body. Learn to understand how your body is communicating with you. As always, I will see you shortly in the next video. Until then, I am saying bye.